1, 2. Oh, I somehow clicked the line selection from my microphone, and now it probably sounds like crap, but we'll deal with it. So, yeah, I'm writing it's not completely new, but I started kind of spitballing with GPT, and I wanted to make a piano roll, and it kind of spit out something nice, so I kind of stuck with it. But it wrote it with Pygame, and I want to use OpenGL and some sound drivers I'm not sure yet, or some sound packages that I'm not 100% on. And I should probably turn the music down like a dummy. Music volume, where are you? Music volume, where are you? Now that's probably better, maybe? Maybe, hopefully. Check 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, we'll roll with it. Yeah, so this is where I'm at currently. We got a little bit of functionality. We got a long way to go. I'm gonna try to take a more structural sort of approach to this, because most of the time whenever I try to code something, it's all kind of willy-nilly, and then I never really finish it. So I kind of have like a little roadmap that I'm gonna go by and slowly pick away at it. So another cool part about this is I have a bunch of small projects that are and kind of get tied together, and that are going to overall make up like the project. So I have just been transferring over all of the like I have the other project opened here in another instance of PyCharm, which is what you just saw opened up here with all the Pygame packages and whatnot that I'm gonna get rid of. But yeah, so I'm just copying and pasting some crap over to the new project that has like this whole dependency checker thing implemented already. And yeah, I don't know, it's kind of cool how I have it set up, I think, at least. Where am I here? Yeah, so I'm just gonna be kind of thinking away with this, slowly piecing it together to get back to the state where we just saw there with that whole window opening up. Because right now, if I try to open it, it's gonna be missing a whole bunch of stuff and it's gonna yell at me. So I was just kind of coding like this new version of it, and then I figured I'd turn the stream on and wait some time while I turn the stream on. So I figured, what the hell, why not? Okay, so can I zoom in on this? No, I can't. Oh yeah, I can. Make that bigger so it's easier to see. Alright, so yeah, the whole thing about the dependency checker is that when the application starts, we go through like all the dependencies, obviously, and it actually I'll just kind of or will it even start? It probably won't even start. Oh yeah, okay, so it did. Is this capturing properly? Yeah. So this is like the debug window, and you could change it to build mode when you're ready to build. The only thing that's like kind of that changes when you do that is it's cross-platform, so it'll work in Linux, Mac, and Windows, or like Debian, Mac and Windows, whatever. So it'll search those file structures for the files instead of looking like, say, in this like project directory. It'll place like your binary or your executables in like the appropriate directory, so Windows or Linux or Mac can find them properly and that sort of thing. So yeah, so there's that. That's kind of cool. So yeah, that's part of the dependency checker. And then if I click run here, or even if like I'm in build mode, this will no longer like appear, because obviously we don't want to be really messing with these. Although you really could, but I don't think you really would want to mess with the launch configuration when you're building. So right now I have it kind of disabled whenever it's in build mode, but yeah, that can change. So yeah, these are the dependencies and how they get added and managed if you wanted to use like the little launcher here. Although it's not completely done, I think I'm missing some functionality with the buttons here. Or if you don't want to mess with this, you could just write it straight to JSON. That's where this is being populated from. So, yeah, that's kind of a little breakdown of the launcher. And then I was thinking of doing some other build sort of stuff so you could actually build your executable or your binary of the project. So, yeah, enough rambling there. Yeah, if I click run, it's probably going to scream at me and give me a bunch of errors, because I just copied and pasted a bunch of stuff, so I'm probably not going to do that right now. Where was I? In the render. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the launcher and the well, my hand keeps hitting the touchpad. The launcher for the application and the dependency checker, which took a lot of time to actually get all down. So now I basically have this like skeleton of a application whenever I want to make something new, which is kind of cool. Oh, and I guess I could just kind of and this is where like all the dependencies get loaded or configured, I should say. So for pill, we're just importing it as pillow, the pillow package. And the download reliance, you could set it to like whatever package manager that you have it set within the launcher that I just showed, or you can set it up with like a curl download to download either like a zip or like a package file. Yeah, and then you just send all your dependencies in. It's pretty straightforward, really. And here's, oh yeah, I commented it out. I moved this to the top, so I don't need that there. But yeah, this is how you would do like a curl download if you didn't want to use the package manager. Yeah, so yeah, dependency checker coming in quite handy if I do say so myself. Whoop, wrong one. I want this. So now I am just kind of going through, and normally where you would have these like imported at the top of the file, this is where the dependency checker comes in handy. Well, in my mind, because I can do what I have been doing up here. I'll just kind of show you the big chunk, the init up here. So this is pulling from the main script right over here, because like all of the other modules and like constants and all that are kind of globalized in the main. Although you don't have to do that for all the scripts that you write, but I just find it a nice easy way to keep track of all the dependencies that are all imported there. And yeah, it's a nice happy place. So yeah, and then you would just reference like whatever dependency with the other self, or like, you know, assign it outside of a class, however you would want to use it. So yeah, that's how I'm kind of using the dependency checker now. And because I already have these like all defined, I just have to kind of go through and replace all of this red here. Shoot, what was that? I just blanked out. Color F, color for F. Good times. Good times. This was a vertex as well, right? My brain, I have goldfish brain right now. GL lines. Oh my gosh, I have to disable my touchpad. My fingers keep touching it. It's super sensitive. Super sensitive. What does this want here? What does this want to int or something? It seems to have no effect. Why? What is this? But did I not finish here? What was this? Vertical lines step in the piano roll. What the heck? I think I might have in the piano roll. Is it render? Vertical steps. Yeah, it was a vert too. And I just wasn't paying attention, didn't finish what I was typing. Goldfish brain. Uh, I probably could just do some copy. Oh, no. Nah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy there, bud. Okay, sensitive. Wait, what the hell? Why is this all janky? Yeah, that's it. Okay, so um wait, what wants the int? Does it because then that's gonna be a float, or does that matter? Maybe not. Now, up with pitch. Was in the slice, not string. Got a string instead. You're supposed to be a string, though. You are 100% supposed to be a string. You are surely supposed to be a string. Okay, we're gonna have to look at that. Do I have a line loop here? I don't think I do. I think I have this, what do you call it there? Defined at the top. Yeah, no, I don't. What was I think? Line loop. Line loop. GL line loop. Is that all it is? I believe it's already in here. GL line loop. Yep. GL line loop. Yep. Okay, where was I? Somewhere's around here. And everything looks good there. I have to get rid of all this extra comment crap. But a lot of it I'm just kind of skimming through to make sure that I got everything. Okay, so now I believe I just have to kind of backtrack to when I am rendering to make sure like the scene is kind of being drawn initially, or I might not have moved over any sort of scene stuff yet, so that'll probably be next. Because I got anything that had to do with the renderer is pulled over already, so the OpenGL context, what was it previously? How were we loading here? OpenGL context. I don't have the scene stuff. Add scene. Or maybe I do. Yes, I do. I lied. No, I don't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, I do. But not all of it. What the hell? Add scene. Set scene. I don't think I have that here yet. Yes, I do. No. Yes, I do. It's called in here. Yes. Oh yeah, this is where, yeah, okay, setup scenes, that's right, that's right. Oh, this is gonna be a can of worms, I think. Or maybe not. Setup scenes is after the initialize. But now, since I changed some stuff up, I do need this functionality still. Where exactly was that again? Just... main application. Yeah, so that's going to be an app now. Set up functionality. And then when it's... Do I call this in the run function now? No. No, I wouldn't do that. Where is initialize? At the bottom? Is that getting called it? Oh, yes it is. Okay. Okay, so that makes sense then. It's all coming back to me. It's all coming back. Okay, so... Why do I have... What's all this? What's going on here? Oh yeah, that's right. Some more loose ends. Okay, so... Bean setup definitely does have to go in here. Oh, there's not a lot. Oh, not as much missing as I thought. Okay. So that's a good thing. Just the UI context. Where was the UI context here? UI context, OpenGL context. Oh, so this is just the self then. This should be itself. Do I have add sub menu? Whoop. What the heck happened there, boss? Hey, whoa, easy. Okay, am I back? What just happened there? That was weird. That's my hand touching stuff again. Yeah, what was I doing? Add menu button. Oh, did I add it in here? Oh, so then I'm gonna have to use the renderer. Maybe. Yeah, that would make sense. Yep. Okay, so then renderer. So the UI context is now the renderer. So I should be able to just go or should I? Yeah, because it's only here, right? I didn't. I just want to see if it has like its, yeah, its width and height and whatnot, but does it have the, yes, okay, so yeah, this might work. Might work how I want it to. Is it just renderer or something else renderer? Something else renderer? Or just renderer? It is just renderer. 37 replacements. Let's is that right though? I think it is. Yeah, and then submenu, add submenu button. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so now I got all my scenes. But I'm pretty sure they're not being called yet. Being set up, and that's getting called when we initialize. Should I just copy this initialize too? Um, hmm. Why did I change this so much? This is going to quickly get out of hand. But it's got to be done, I guess. It's got to be done. Because as soon as this wants to initialize stuff, projects, multi-tracks, settings, audio. Yeah, I think it's just a matter of copy and pasting and changing audio context to the renderer. Hopefully stuff starts to just kind of work. I'm thinking just a little bit too much about this and not coding it because I quickly get lost in the sauce. Okay, so for now, I don't want to even handle any events. I just want to simply get the window opening again. This should just be that's not gonna work because that's a key. I need a separate. So let's get rid of this pie game stuff here. Quit. Do I have like a quit type of something here? No, I don't. How am I gonna do this? I don't have a quit key or like a quit because I know that I don't have like I have like a little custom events sort of thing going on here. Uh, and I know that I don't handle quit like exclusively like this, so I would have to actually do a bunch of stuff to make sure that we're pressing the right key, which should kind of or no, maybe I don't even need this right here. Yeah, I don't even think I need this. And then this is just a one of my get events, because we have a queue system. Yeah. And that should catch all of the events and sort them out, hopefully, in theory, in my head at least. And as long as the type is within the current events, yeah, that makes sense, right? Sure, yeah, surely it does. Okay, so I have a mouse event. Why don't I have what? I should have this stuff here. Oh no. This is inside the renderer, and it no longer has an underscore, I believe. Wait, what? Handle mouse event? Why? Oh yeah. This E or this like a mouse button 2 or something? I don't know if that'll work. It might work, maybe. Huh? What? Ah, boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so what is this handle events? Is that handle events just not being called correctly? I believe. And then, and then, and then, how do I want to handle this sleep here? What was I doing here? Sampler, sleep. Wait, what? Why was I using that sleep? Because I don't really think I should be, but it... Just can't remember what that was for. Why am I doing this though? Why am I doing that like that? Why am I doing it like that? Oh, no, 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 no. Does it have to do with like something in here? No. And it's not in the GL context. So it could have only been... Hmm. It's very interesting. I don't know where I got that from. Yeah, I don't really recall. If requested, if redraw requested. Yeah, see, I remember looking that in here. Did I? I think I probably. I think I jacked something up in here. I could only imagine that it would have been down here, but then it wouldn't have made sense because the context is kind of inherited when when I import it. So the only thing I could think of is that it's like kind of remnants from like the default. But I could have sworn, yeah, no, that's what this is. The main start under this line. Yeah. Yeah, see, but where did I get... Where did I get this run function from? Redraw. Requested. Redraw. That's where I got it from. And it was using the Pygame time wait. Okay, so now that I'm not using this, can I just do like a sleep or something? Is there a sleep? Do I have a sleep? And or is it 0.10? I think. or 100. Or a tenth of a second. I think that's correct, is it not? I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's right. Hold on, let me Google something real quick. Google. GLFW, sleep? Question mark? I'm not writing C++. Need to sleep. Swap buffers. Oh, I can use time sleep. GLFW for timing. Can either use GLF get time function or yeah, let me see this. Hold on. Yeah, people are pissed on the forums. So I can't just use, what did I select? Just timer sleep. Time sleep. I guess I don't need, I already have it imported, so it's just like that. Okay, so now I think if I took a massive shot in the dark, it might populate something when I open the window, maybe? Possibly. Probably not, though. Actually, no, because I didn't actually call the initialize, which I didn't take. Hmm. What was I doing here before? Image font or something like that, right? Yeah, there we go. Oh, snap. Ooh, snap, son. Uh, so that's... Oh, yeah, that's right. Pill was working, messing around. Pillow was jacked around for me, so it's not. I forgot about that. Forgot. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm almost going to initialize, and then hopefully we'll see something in a few minutes here. Yeah, once I get all this kind of stuff out of here. I don't think I need this now, because I'm not using Pygame. I have a feeling I'm gonna have some problems with the input. Maybe. I'm gonna just comment this out because I just might want to just see it visually. Okay, what was that? Ortho 2D. Glue Ortho 2D. Holy smokes. Glue Ortho 2D. Glue Ortho 2D. And then I'm pretty sure I have everything else here double buff. Display set mode. Set mode, OpenGL. Yeah, I'll have to see if there's like an equivalent for this here. I just had a thought. I don't know if this is gonna work. Like, no, it should. Yeah, because the modules is the modules, and then this module command is actually different from the one that's in the renderer. Yeah, see, forgotten about that. For some reason I had to change it. But it's weird that no errors are being thrown if I had to change it. Why did I have to change it? That is the question. Because it's getting passed, the modules are getting passed, and then we're just using whatever. That makes sense though. And in here, I'm checking if it's imported, and then if not, if it's if it's imported, we get the imported module. Yeah, that's right. We get the imported module, and if not, we return none. See, and then this also seems right. I think they're both doing the same thing, but because this one, either way, we're just getting the checking if it's in there, if it's in the modules, and then we get that module. And then if not, I think this one is more technically right because we're handling Nope, I think this, yeah, I think this one is just the correct one. Yeah, because I'm attach all models, and then it'll just attach them. That makes sense. And then I'm not even attaching any model here. Not even using these. Why am I not? I think I'm just calling whatever stored. That I must be. Why am I not attaching them? Because they're already there. So then. This is weird. Oh, I know what I have to do. That's what I'm missing. I technically have to attach them in here. Still think this is kind of wrong, maybe somewhere in here. If the model's imported, and then if it's not, none. Yeah, see, this doesn't make sense to me right now. If the module's imported, take the imported module, yeah, and if the imported module, why am I checking it again and then setting it even though it's already a module that was found? And then I do get what, and then I get, why am I doing? Yeah, this is a little weird. I don't know what I was on. Probably some GPT or a little DeepSeek maybe. Probably that's what it was, judging by all the comments. Holy smokes. Okay, well, yeah, let me sift through. Was this done? No. Oh yeah, that's what I was doing. I was typing this. think it's because I think why am I so like kind of confused about how I'm gonna do this? And I think it's because I just haven't called any GL stuff from like the application. So yeah, nothing is assigned, obviously, you dummy. Yeah, because I was only working on the renderer. Yeah. What the hell's up, bro? Fingers keep touching stuff. Oh my god, bro. Oh, width and height. Width and height. Why am I missing the width and height? I don't have width and height here? Nope, I guess I don't. I didn't set it. I'm just assigning it here. And then let's go like this. Idle. Okay, so now I think I could just call this initialize after that because the window, this looks like some other, yeah, initialize some iGame crap that I'm not using. And then as long as my GLFW window, I should actually figure out what this is doing here. Uh, kind of brainstorming right now. Hmm. Yeah, I gotta figure out what this line is doing exactly, just so I could, I'm pretty sure there's an alternative, so, because I'm using OpenGL now, but I'm not sure what this double buffer flag is. Gonna have to look at that. Okay, so actually let's just see what the build looks like. Let's see what happens here. It's been so... Well, wait, what? Huh? Raster position. Why not? Wait, where was that? Oh, it's not gonna tell me. OpenGL raster position F2. So it's in the config. Did I just spell it wrong, maybe? What? Thought one of these had it. Uh, oh, ER? It's ER? GL draw pixels. What's wrong with GL draw pixels? Pixelless. Pixless. Ototh. Where is it? This is going to be a lot of building and what? Ortho 2D. Blue Ortho 2D. Blue Ortho 2D. Probably did something stupid. Oh. I put it in the wrong one. Wait, is glut in... Is there a T in there? No. Yeah, it's just from GLU. Glue. Not glute. Uh... Oh, I probably didn't import numpy first. Wait, what? No module. This is the only spot where I'm calling numpy. Now, why does it say that it can't find numpy? Very interesting. What the hell's going on with that? Wasn't this just working fine? Hmm. Hmm. I'm confused. Yeah, I'm not I'm not. Or maybe it doesn't like this. No, still. No module name numpy. Like this should work. This should definitely work right now, but for some reason it's just not. Why? Why is it not working? Oh, I'm missing one. Missing one. What is that? The pop-up manager. Excuse me. Let me make sure. Where should you go after the modules? After the modules, you should be the renderer. But that's still happening. Why? I don't know. 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 Yeah, and I'm not doing anything extra here to load them much. Yeah, nothing crazy. Okay, okay. That's fine. Yeah, this isn't making sense. So apparently, NumPy doesn't want to work. Why? Oh boy. Like the structure is fine. Do I have NumPy installed? Wait, but why isn't it installing it then? It's not installing it. Why didn't it? Yeah, why isn't it installing? What the frick? I think something's up with the dependency checker. It's not actually checking them. Because currently I don't have it in. I just typed in pip list and it's not listed here. Now I bet if I install this and then restart, it should work. Yeah, imported NumPy, and then why didn't the as work? As should work. That as should have worked. Very interesting. As should have definitely worked. Hmm. Or maybe it's... Hmm. Failed to import. Yeah, no, I need more error details, that's for sure. See, I know this functionality is there when the dependencies are checked. I'm just not sure why the as is slipping through like it's not. Or or maybe it's just like this that I have to do it. Can't remember. Yeah, no module. I think I accidentally removed an edge case, or I must have, because this as was working. Like that's 100% how I do it. Okay, so not really sure what to do now. Because that kind of puts a little thorn in my side, if you know what I mean. Because now we are importing NumPy. Because I know as soon as I go and check, I'm gonna find the functionality that it says check and see that the first argument is as, and then use the second one as the alias. But for some reason it's getting overlooked, and it's probably gonna be the most dumb thing. But I don't think it's that deep. I don't think it's that deep. Hey, I think that almost worked. I saw a window pop up for a second. Oh, yeah, why am I attaching it? I just have to do the... I don't have to attach now. Yeah, I just have to do like a little get kind of thing. So then this stuff is just um wait, what? Why? Geo blend. Oh, it's a constant. Wait, what? Why is it? Oh, shoot. Maybe that's a little dyslexia. That kind of looks like blend. That's weird. Looks like the word, I don't know why it does, but it looks like the word blend to me. Kind of weird. Kind of weird. Okay, I'm almost there. I think I'm almost there. I think this is actually gonna open soon because now I'm back to where these errors are popping off here. Where was it? That true type. Was at the beginning of here. Yeah, here we go. Now let me do one of these. See what this font was. And pill type. Pill image font. Yeah, so why wouldn't it work for me? That's a pill image font. So why? Huh? Do I have to go like that? Oh. No. Because I wouldn't be able to... What? Yeah, see, it's right there. Oh. Yeah, see, now it's fixed. Come on, bro. I just want my window to open. Failed none type. Object is not iterable. Object is not iterable. What object? All the imports and everything went through, so that's kind of a bonus. Okay, so initializing, and then we fail. We initialize and then we fail. Why are we failing? We initialize and then we fail. Why are we failing? Hmm. I think I'm not actually calling the setup scene setup scenes. Hmm? Has no project manager. Whatever do you mean? Has no project manager. Why? Oh, I just didn't bring it over yet. That makes sense. That makes sense. Where does this go? Where does this go? Just in source core. Source core. Okay. Ooh, I think we're getting closer. Now it's looking for new stuff. Let me restart this piece. What the hell? Okay, so now how is this running? No module. Oh. I didn't install this. I don't know why the dependency checker is not installing stuff right now than it should. Kind of weird that it's not. Wait, what? Why isn't that in? Uh, is it just Python audio? I think. I think. Let's hope this works. Ah, come on. It does have a Git here, so let's try this. Pretty sure I had this working on the other one. Yeah, that worked. Okay, so that was it. We need the LTS, audio OP LTS. Okay, so now where is this pitch shift? Pitch shift, load and play pitch shift. Is that in the renderer, I believe? Or why would it be? Yeah, it would have to be. Did I even... Oh, I'm missing it here too. Oh. Interesting. So, for now, let's go like so. I wonder if GPT would knock that out of the park for me. I don't want to code that right now. So I'm just gonna comment this out. Oh, why was that so bad? Oh, because I had this one open too, maybe? Maybe? Yeah, so why was that so freaking slow? Okay, yeah, it must have been that. No iGame. I didn't remove that? What the hell? Oh, I was using Pygame for the audio. That's right. Do I want to just... Oh, I don't actually. Do I want to just use it for the sound? Because at this point, this is all that it would be doing. Just the mixer. Audio processing loop. and legitimately it's not being used for any sort of graphics, just the audio. Until I find a better solution, this could work just for testing purposes. Should I? Did I close my terminal? I did. That should go away now. Why is it not? I think my laptop is just chugging right now. It's super hot. This is the first time that I've seen it actually slow down like that. Like even just with within the editor though. Interesting. Yeah, and it's like very slow right now. Okay, with that said, I think I'm gonna call it at that because yeah, she doesn't want to do pretty much anything. Like it's a good 2 or 3 seconds before that it decides that it wants to scroll. So yeah, gonna call it there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you happen to been watching, it's much appreciated. Yeah, so I guess I'll just kind of close this and reopen it. Show folks exactly what we're kind of working towards with this new UI and whatnot. It's crazy that it's like this slow. Holy smokes. Oh, that's why. It's because of this stupid chat bullshit. I gotta remove this. I gotta remove that plugin. That's what it is. I keep forgetting about that. Yeah, you gotta go, bud. Sorry. Wait, that wasn't it. This one. What the hell, bro? Okay, so the only thing I was trying to do was bring up the old version, which was this here. So this was in Pygame. I started kind of brainstorming, stuff started coming together. Decided that I wanted to change it up and do it for reals in OpenGL, so that's what I'm doing now. Just struggling on the struggle bus a bit until I get like everything in line, and we'll pretty much be exactly where we are here, which is a long ass way to go. I basically just got some super simple menu functionality down, and then I started getting like the project window layout going. So yeah, a lot of work to do. Hopefully I'll be streaming and being consistent, all that good stuff, because I think this is just now what I do. So yeah, till next time folks, thanks for watching, much appreciated. Peace out everybody.